It's a sunny afternoon in Manhattan's Café Lalo. You spot Jenna laughing, completely captivated by Mark's subtle charm. But here's the twist. Mark's not anyone special, he's just using one of Leil Lowndes' love secrets. What exactly did he do to have Jenna hooked instantly? Stick around, because uncovering that is only the beginning of this love game. First moments can make or break attraction, but most people blow it. Let's see how to nail that crucial opening with 3 powerful moves. Jenna met Mark when he leaned in just right, smiled warmly, and echoed her tones softly. That tiny mimicry made her feel heard, not just talked at. It was like he handed her a VIP pass to connection, no awkwardness, just smooth flow. Think of mirroring like a dance. When 2 people sync their steps, the rhythm feels natural and inviting. Our brains crave this invisible signal, a sign of similarity that builds instant trust. Even subtle gestures like leaning forward or matching speech pace create this magnetic rhythm. Most shy folks freeze or babble awkwardly, sealing doors tight. But by simply timing your smile to their smile or matching their body language, you crack the code. Suddenly, what felt scary becomes exciting, a brief tango that pulls you both closer without a word. Love is fragile, and one wrong move can blow months of effort. Here is how to spot and avoid the classic traps that kill chemistry fast. Mark knew the moment he started firing question after question, Jenna's eyes glazed over. Instead of a rapid-fire Q&A, he switched to storytelling. Sharing his own funny mishaps made the vibe casual and built warmth, a far cry from a police interrogation. Imagine conversation as a dance floor. If you keep stepping on toes by talking non-stop, no one enjoys dancing. Pausing gives your partner room to respond and lean in. A well-timed silence is like a breathtaking rest in music that keeps tension delicious. Nervous energy is like an untamed animal, it can scare or charm. Mark's secret, he laughed at his own stumbles. That self-amusement signals confidence and puts others at ease. Suddenly, what could be awkward becomes irresistibly real and fun. Sexual attraction isn't just chemistry, it's an art that can be learned. Here is how Leil's techniques deepen desire beyond the obvious. In one study Leil shares, a man lightly touched a woman's arm during a laugh and her interest skyrocketed, but only when the touch matched the moment's mood. Too early or clumsy and it fizzled. It's about timing and gentle escalation, like turning the dimmer switch on slow. Voice isn't just words, it's the invisible lingerie of attraction. Lower, softer tones create intimacy, like a secret whispered just for you. Mark consciously shifted his pitch when talking to Jenna, turning everyday chat into a subtle seduction soundtrack. Those casual coffee meetups, prime territory for unspoken tension. The book shows how small rituals, leaning in close, shared jokes with lingering eye contact, shifted routine into charged moments, setting up desire that feels natural, not forced. Remember Jenna at Café Lalo, that effortless charm she felt from Mark? It wasn't magic, it was mastery. From the first hello with perfect mirroring through dodging awkward traps to crafting slow-burning desire with voice and touch, these aren't tricks but tools you can use tonight. So here's your challenge. The next time you meet someone new, try matching their tone and rhythm. Watch how the whole dynamic flips. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.